The condensing unit is mounted under the display and chills the drinks inside. It has a finned face, where air is taken into the unit. These fins become choked with dust. To clean the fins, first switch off the display. Then lift off the rear ventilation panel and set aside. Clean the fins using a soft brush to loosen the dust. Use a vacuum to remove the dust from the fins. This task should be done every 2 months. Finally, refit the ventilated panel and switch the display back on.